Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen spatial for Hyundai Sonata 2015 to 2017 years. Okay, let me introduce. It will come with spatial harness. This harness will come with head unit together, and the AUX input their USB, and it supports original backup camera. Is adapter for original camera, female plug. This camera input is AC wire 12 voltage and GND wire. It's camera adapter. Okay, it comes with spatial dash kit. Spatial dash kit. This is too big. You can check. It's so big. This dash kit will come with the head unit together. Okay. You can check this built-in microphone. It's reset hole. These buttons. You can choose logo. You can choose time and the logo and GPS. There have sound. You can settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can change the SIM editor, color, red, any color you can set. Now choose red, okay, and choose logo. You can choose Hyundai. Back, home, or apps are here. You can check this DSP amplifier and easy connection from your link. Google Maps and Play Store. It's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, supports 4G mobile network and hotspot from your phone. It's back button. Okay. Let me check the button machine. MCU variant, CPU octa-core memory size 4GB, PX5, Android variant, Pi is 9 Pi system. Okay. Let me check the storage. Can check total 64GB. 64GB storage. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth, this device name and the pin number. Let me open my phone. Okay, turn on Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth. Click search button and click pair button. Okay, this is pin number 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, show Bluetooth icon connected. This Bluetooth version is 5.0. microphone call. It's
欢迎致电中国联通。您好，请问有什么可以帮您？
okay, it works.
说。
You can stream music from Bluetooth. Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. And let me show the play music from USB. The head unit comes with two USB cable. It's two USB cable. This is USB driver. Connect USB. It supports USB hub. It plays music automatically. This DSP amplifier. Okay, it's running Google Navigation and music at the same time. This video disabled for your safety. You need to set it in the settings. Drama setting, turn on the watch video. Suppose send some 4K demo video around the world. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website belsee.com, belse.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.